President William Ruto muthenyani wa umuthi nthini wa mbunge nene ni wakathia uthukumi wake nthini wa mithia kivathukanio kumela wakwatie kivila cha President Ruto ethite uthukumini kwa kilungu cha myai 14 ainena ni wafikia kwithiwa AYIELESYA kana nthini wa sekta ya uiti, sekta ya kisomo vamwe na sekta ya biashara na utandithia ni withitwe mustalini wa mbere kwikithia kana mwene nthi ni unika AYIELESYA kana nayo nthini wa sekta ya kisomo ni wandikithitie alimu mbe wa 56,000 ngalikoni ya uiti nayo andikithitie atethesya ma uiti nthini wa ndwani mbe wa ngiliya na yimwe na indi livoti tukwelewe mbe angeni we Robert Mutuko.
Kwa ivinda ya mbevyo musumbe William Ruto ni waumya Uneeni wa mithukumila yake nthini wa kikalo cha vamwe cha mbunge sieli kuonania kila wikiti ya Kenya nthini wa mwaka umwe muthelu kuma alika silikalini. Maunduni makonetie ni mamusumbe Ruto ni woneka kwikuna kithuia iweta kana ngalama ya liuni yende ya kutheya itina wa silikali yake kutheesya thowa wa mbolea nginya silingi 2,500 na imi kuongelanga ngithayo.
We have progressively reduced the cost of fertilizer from 6,500 to 2,500, increased maize acreage under production by an extra 200,000 acres this year, and enhanced maize production by an additional 18 million bags this year. As a result of these interventions, today a 2-kilogram packet of maize flour is selling at a low of 145 and a high of 175, depending on the brand you buy.
Nthini wa kisomo Ruto eweta kanambiki ya yusilikali yake ni yandikite alimu mbe wa 56,000 na maana mwonza vala alimu 8,000 na maana ilima skulu sya musingi makwatite mauvundi sio mbeange kusomithya skulu ni sya junior secondary ikathia walani omwe wa kunengane mikovo ya kisomo kayase kana usiaitie muno amaniwa alama umite misini lambini ya kikwati.
Our education system must develop a formidable reservoir of skill, talent, highly competitive and innovative human capital to support our vision of an economically transformed Kenya. In keeping with our commitment, 56,750 new teachers have been employed. I'm sure the Honorable Milemba can confirm this. While 8,200 primary school teachers were retrained to equip them with capacity to effectively deliver learning and teaching at junior school levels. The new model for financial support is student-centered and deploys a rigorous impartial means testing instrument to establish the level of need of every student, which then becomes the primary consideration in allocating scholarships and loans.
Maunduni mauima wa mwe musumbe Ruto ekathia silikali yake kwa kuandika maofisa ma uiti mandwani kana community health promoters ngilia na yemwe alau kwa sendeni wa mwe yomwe muthelu ni mathokete misi milioni omwendo no ile na kutetheesya ENENTHI.
Community health promotion is our bottom-up intervention to deliver preventive and promotive health solutions at the grassroots by deploying community health promoters to visit Kenyans at their homes, provide basic diagnosis for common conditions, and refer cases to appropriate medical facilities. Together with all the 47 counties, and again I am grateful to the governors, we have deployed 100,000 community health promoters fully equipped with the necessary kits and an electronic community health information system. In the last 1 month, CHPs have attended to 1.2 million households, just in the last 1 month.
Musumbe Ruto ingine wakathi ya kinandu cha mikovo ya Asla Fund ayasakana kithitwe ne utethio munene kwa Kenya maukwati munini na ikundisi kuthukanio vanthi ya Kenya vala kinengete ya Kenya ivuso ya kukwata mikovo na kuolanga utalo wala manakunitwa mungu kukwata mikovo kana manekitwe CRB.
By the end of last month, the fund had disbursed Kenya shillings 36.6 billion and in savings 2.3 billion, and with 7.5 million repeat borrowers whose overall repayment rate is at 73%. The Hustler Fund has also launched a group product which has attracted 50,000 active groups to the platform, and of which 20,000 have received 151 million Kenya shillings.
Thini wa waki wa nyomba ila serikali yake yithitwe yikite musalini wambe Ruto ni wawetakana waki wa nyomba ithimbe wa ngili miongoena na thanthatu na maana muonza nuendeye isioni kuthukanio cia nthi ya Kenya na ometuki waki wa nyomba ingi ngili miongoena nukwambia vala Kenya mbe wa ngili miongoetano makwatite mawia ku Islam yako ii.
The affordable housing program has received tremendous support from county governments across Kenya, and I want to thank governors, and I know the chair of the Council of Governors is here, through her, all governors who have worked with us to make sure that this program becomes a reality. The construction of 46,792 units in various parts of Kenya is already underway, while another 40,000 are ready to commence in a couple of weeks. 50,000 Kenyans are working. People who are previously unemployed, they are now engaged directly and indirectly in this enterprise. And the numbers will significantly increase as the projects move into the next phase and as we roll out many more units.
Ingi musumbi Ruto ni wakathie soila yitwaiwe ya unenania kati wa serikali yake na ngwatanio ya Azimio ya komanda usungio wa maundu mekuthukanio vala ingi waumia ukanio kwa wonde kwikonia na ulusani aiwetakana nimekosa matambia momo matena tei.
Be, honorable members, remiss of me not to mention the ongoing bipartisan process of national dialogue that has enabled our leaders to find common ground on many of the issues whose resolution will accelerate our transformation, deepen our democracy, and enhance national unity. Specifically, I thank the two co-chairs, my good brother, Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, our former president, and the leader of majority in the House, Kimani Ichung'wah, for doing a wonderful job. Congratulations, gentlemen. Corruption, honorable members, wastage, inefficiency, and negligence are serious threats to our transformation agenda and unacceptable practice that has no place in our nation. I have given my firm assurance to the people of Kenya that cases of misconduct and corruption shall be dealt with ruthlessly, with finality, and expeditiously.
Ni Uneeni ula Kenya metelete kuona kana musumbi nukonena maundu makonetie ngalama yiyulu ya mikalile musumbi iweta kanano kuisila kuosa matambia valathina utonya kuthiniki wata kukilianima vaanthi ya Kenya. Diripoti ya vilingi wa mauvo Nthi wa Robert Mutukum.